Hello everyone, this is Abhinav Kumar, and currently I am third year student studying at BMS College of Engineering, and I'll be showing today the demonstration of my project I've done through AdLayer tool, which is Rapid Miner. So the data set which I've used in my project is a Titanic data set. It consists of 1300 rows and it has 12 attributes. So these are the 12 attributes, and the main attributes here are name, passenger, ticket number, then passenger, fare, then cabin which they are sitting. Passenger has chosen three types of classes, which is first, second, and third. Then the how many passenger have survived, like it is given by binary classification, yes and no here. And yeah, this is the data set I have used for my project. So now I'll be showing the uh, model which I have trained on this data set. So the first model which I have trained on this data set is decision tree model. So I've taken the retrieve or operator here, which is used to read the CSV file. This is given to the replace missing values. In the replace missing values, I have replaced all the missing values through the average of the each attribute. Then I have set the role as a label for the survived attribute here, and then I've given this to the split data. With the data I have like chosen for splitting is like 70-30 percentage. 70 percentage is for training the data and 30 percentage is for setting the data. Here is the entries which I have added 0.7 and 0.3. Then this splitting data is given to the decision tree model. Uh, Decision tree model I have given uh, basically applying the pruning and applying the pre-pruning here. And then this is I have given to apply model. Then this is given to the accuracy. Now I'll run this model. So the accuracy given by the model is 81% here, and classification gives 18.58. Then kappa gives 0.582, which is very less. So without pruning and pre-pruning, applying the model will get the result as like getting a pretty high result like 93.13 percentage in accuracy. And then in classification error, we are getting 6.87, which is comparatively lesser. Kappa will be obviously lesser. So this is the decision tree model. It consists of seven operators here, which are used, which are linked to each other for training of the model. Then the other model to improve the accuracy of the decision tree model, like can use is cross validation model. So here it is. So yeah, in this similarly, I read the CSV data file, then replacing all the missing values with the average value of each attribute, then setting the role as survived, which is the target role label, and we are applying it. Then we have validation model here. Seeing the cross validation model, we have training and testing. In training, we have decision tree, and testing, we have two operators, apply model and performance. Decision tree, we have given the accuracy as the criteria. First, we'll run the model without pruning and pre-pruning. I'll run the model now. So without pre-pruning and pruning, it is giving as 92.9 percentage. So we'll go back and C for pruning and pre-pruning. So it dropped down to 79.30 percentage, which is comparatively lesser as we have seen in the decision tree model without any cross validation. So hope this thing, and we'll try to have another model here, random forest. So this is the random forest. Will give the number of trees as 100, and we don't apply any pruning and pre-pruning at the start. We'll first run the model without this. So yeah, we got a very decent accuracy, which is greater as compared to the decision tree model without any cross validation. But as soon as we applied cross validation model, we are getting accuracy as 93.28 percentage, which is pretty good. Uh, we'll try to uh, use pruning and pre-pruning also and see what happens. Run the model. So the applying pre-pruning and pruning drop down the model accuracy up to 82 percentage, which is not good as compared to the previous accuracy. So these are the two models which I have trained. One is the decision tree model, and another one is the uh, better version of the decision tree using the cross validation model. Yeah. So thank you.